Hello everyone, Von Marie here, and I'm super excited for the new Kat Scrappiness release. I can't wait to show you what I received. And so we're going to start off with this new Beautiful stencil. It's a Beautiful Beans stencil, 6x6. And that's going to be so much fun ink blending. I love stencils. And we have the new Cuppa gift card tag die. Super excited for this, especially how it will be so great for Christmas. So can't wait to play with that and all those elements there, those two together. And then we have the new Mouse House craft die, and this will coordinate with so much from our Kat Scrappiness release. And I love the windows, and I love the door and those ears, super cute. And then we have two new tag shaker dies. This is the Wizard. We have the Wizard Shaker Tag Craft Die. The one I'm just showing is the Mouse Ears Shaker Tag Craft Dies. And I love these because they have your components to make your own confetti mix if you want to customize it. We love our scraps in our stash, so that is perfect for that. I was curious what these tags look like on an A2 size panel, and they will fit so great on an A2 there. I do have some measurements, and I was coming up with 2 3/16 by 4 5/16. There is a smaller tag on there that you would probably layer it. So 2 1/4 by 4 5/16. I did measure the house, and I will grab my ruler in just a second, but I believe, and that will fit nicely on an A2 size panel as well. Or you can make a shaped card. And so I am just sharing the names of these. I do hope you pick these up. They will be available. They will be available today or tonight. I'm not sure when I'm airing this. We do have a hop for tomorrow. So the Mouse House 3 7/16 by 3 1/4. The ears I have 4 1/8 by 2 inches. And so all of these products are going to be so much fun to play with. And so check out our hop tomorrow. We will have an Instagram hop and an YouTube hop. And all of our design team members will be sharing what they created with this new release. And I love this die, so don't be surprised if I play with this one first. And for this Cuppa gift tag, it's A2 size, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I have it by 3 inches. It's really hard to measure unless you fold it. It's going to be probably a little bit smaller. There is a heart, coffee beans, you have a scallop circle, a round circle there. So here are all the new products, and I will be back tomorrow with my hop video.